Can I appeal a child custody decision? Have you ever wondered if you can challenge a child custody decision? It's a common question, especially for those navigating the emotional waters of divorce and separation. The answer is yes, you can appeal a child custody decision, but there are specific legal grounds and strict deadlines to follow. First, it is important to understand that an appeal is not a chance to reargue the entire custody case. Instead, it focuses on whether the trial court made a legal error that affected the outcome. Common grounds for appeal include errors in applying the law or an abuse of judicial discretion. For example, if the custody ruling appears arbitrary, unreasonable, or unsupported by evidence, you may have grounds to appeal. To start the appeal process, you must file a notice of appeal. This document typically needs to be submitted within 30 days of the custody decision. Filing this notice informs the court and the other party that you intend to challenge the ruling. After you file, your attorney will prepare the trial court record. This includes transcripts and evidence for the appellate court to review. Next, both sides will submit written briefs. These briefs argue why the decision should be overturned or upheld. The appeals process can take several months to over a year, and during this time, the original custody order usually remains in effect. It is also important to note that the appeals process can be complex and costly. You may incur legal fees, transcript costs, and research expenses. The appellate court will ultimately decide whether to uphold the original decision, requiring further action, or send the case back for a new trial. In high net worth divorce cases, where financial and custodial issues can be more complicated, appealing a custody decision may involve additional legal considerations. Expert involvement may be necessary to navigate these complexities. Consulting a family law attorney who is experienced in both custody and appeals is essential to effectively manage this process. Understanding the appeal process can help you make informed decisions about your custody situation. If you believe a legal error has occurred, it is worth exploring the possibility of an appeal with a knowledgeable attorney.